I'm Dhananjay and my company is Kevin Electrochem. We are majorly into component, sealants and dispensing solution for LED industry, LED manufacturer like bulbs or any LED product. So we give complete solution to them for manufacturing this product.
And are you exhibiting any new solution here?
Yes, we certainly have a new solution like moldable silicons, which goes into it's one step ahead of what industry is currently right here. We have a new dispensing solution for accurate measuring of the adhesives, which gives better end product for the industries participating here, and many are our customers already.
What kind of advantages does silicon technology give in terms of
silicon? Basically is a very premier technology with respect to epoxy or other any chemical technologies. First of all, it's very neutral. It's not harmful to human being. Even if you eat it, nothing will happen. And secondly, it is long lasting. For years, it keeps the same property. So like LED bulbs, they will have same diffusion rates. They can transfer same light. So it really helpful for a niche product range. All use silicon so that they long laster, 10 years, 15 years. So that is its advantage, longevity and quality.
What about in terms of price differentiation?
Price-wise, silicon is slightly higher, maybe around 10-20%. But if you take for a particular period of time, with respect to investment, ROI and everything, it's actually a cheaper product. It is a cheaper product.
And how's the experience been so far at the expo in terms of Vista participation?
It's good. Expo is good. We have got good inquiries now. We are participating here for last, I think, 3-4 times, and it is being wonderful. I think we have participated right from the start. So a nice crowd. Many are knows us, but still it is good. New customers are there.
Have you seen an increase in consumer knowledge?
Certainly. When we started in LED industry back in few years back, it was evolving. Now industry is into a maturing stage, and many production houses are also moving from China to here. So of course the knowledge of the end user is also increasing. Certainly, so for the better.
Okay, thank you so much.
Thank you.